Hello guys, I'm Jerry. Today we're going to talk about FTM becoming Sonic. So stay tuned throughout all those videos because we're going to share some info, some price prediction, and some price analysis. So stay tuned. Sonic will happen during and after the Phantom to Sonic rebranding on Binance. Binance will support all the rebranding to Sonic. The token swap will be 1-to-1 ratio. Users holding FTM Phantom will automatically receive Sonic tokens at a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you hold 100 FTM right now, you'll get 100 Sonic tokens after the rebranding. So users won't take any manual action. So if you have Binance, your Phantom at Binance, you won't have to do anything. Binance will support the whole rebranding and transformation. Trading pairs transition. Starting from January 16th of 2025, new trading pairs for Sonic S will be SBTC, SUSDT, etc. will become available on Binance. This means users can trade Sonic tokens instead of FTM. Phantom FTM deposits and withdrawals halted. Binance will stop FTM deposits and withdrawals on January 13 of 2025 at 3:30 UTC. Users must complete any pending FTM deposits before this time to avoid losing access to their funds. So if you hold FTM Phantom tokens, you must transform and deposit it or withdraw it from your ledger to Binance in order to do the transformation, because after that you will lose your funds because none of that will have any value after. Future trading ends for FTM. FTM future contracts will cease on January 6, 2025. Users should close their future positions before this date to avoid automatic settlement by Binance. Sonic S tokenomics. The new Sonic blockchain will launch with a circulating supply of 2.82 billion coins and a total supply capped at 3.75 billion coins. The supply will grow gradually with 1.75% annual inflation rate, stabilizing by 2029. The total income and the total increase will be limited to 15% by 2031. Strategic benefits of rebranding. The rebranding to Sonic is aimed at expanding the Phantom ecosystem and improving scalability, positioning Sonic as a more innovative and competitive blockchain solution in the crypto space. So what it means for users? FTM holders need to do nothing. Binance will handle the whole swap. So you only have to do is put all the Phantom tokens back into Binance. So the prop firm Binance will do all the swapping. FTM deposits must be done before January 13, 2025. New Sonic S trading begins January 16, 2025. The transition is designed to be smooth, with Binance managing all technical adjustments on behalf of users. So if we see right now at the charts, we can see that Phantom FTM is in around 71 cent per coin. I have been buying Phantom throughout all those time, around 50 to 60 cent per coin. So this is my average price for buying Phantom. I believe after the rebranding, we're going to have a massive bull run, a massive bullishness on Sonic, a new chart, new ideas, innovative team. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe for more if you want to see more price predictions. So thank you guys and become bullish and stay motivated. Bye bye guys.